it's Madalyn. Today we're going to be making shapes out of Playfoam. What shapes can you think of? I can think of a circle, a rectangle, and a triangle. Let's take a chunk of Playfoam and roll it into a ball. Now let's smash it flat. It's a circle. A circle has no straight lines and no corners. Let's make a rectangle. Grab another chunk of Playfoam, flatten it out, straighten up the sides. It's a rectangle. A rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides and 4 corners. Next, let's make a triangle. Grab some more Playfoam, squish it into a ball, and smash it flat. Squish the sides up to a point and squish the bottom flat. We made a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Making shapes with Playfoam is so much fun!